Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This morning we are heading over to get some vaisalo for breakfast, and then we will come home and get ready for the Mawhatangatina bingo. After bingo, we would head over to Bess's and then come home and get ready for Auntie Pao's 65th birthday. Come along with us. See ya! And if you're looking for a quick breakfast in the morning, stop by and buy a vaisalo here at Dennis opposite Ifakasa Weymouth. They also sell fa'ausi, oka, and fai. I know, early in the morning. And here you go. Oh, look at that. So good. And here's Dad talking to Auntie Pao and Orokoro. So we get these. So they're $5 a cup. My dad normally buys 10, but today he brought 14. Bye, Auntie. Okay, we are now home, but this is what vaisalo looks like. And also, did you want to see me cut bread in slow-mo? Now we are making our way to bingo. She was trying to do those ones, let's stay home, but I was like, no, we are going. Also, you're hungry, yeah? Do you need it? Oh my gosh, yummy cupcakes. Oka, bingo was so good. It was so nice to see a lot of old people here enjoying themselves. So glad my olds were able to join in as well too. You know, it's not the norm that we get to get out of the house every day and do something like this. So come and play with us and see if we win anything. Nufa lima. Bifitu. These cupcakes were super yum. They were selling these at $2. But is it just me, or does everyone have this where if they have cupcakes or food in front of them, they'll play really good and enjoy the rest of their day? That was me. I was getting in trouble, but that's okay. Do you just want a cupcake? Hey! Hi guys. Last game before break. Of je voor de pinkel jij. Hello. Are you alright, sir? Full house. Hi everyone. Yeah, we've just finished bingo. Mom, I made bingo ngayon, so. Mga yang ngayon ay le cupcake ya malisapa. Pe pasare bingo.
It's not about what you get.
Yeah.
What you give.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Okay.
Now we're in the hood. The parade is going. She knows she's same age as Faye. Why?
I
I deserve to eat. Bingo has finished. We stopped by home to drop off mum, but got a little bit for tomorrow. It's such a fun day today. We are just chilling now before we head into Mrs. We played bingo today. We didn't win anything, but man, the food was yum. Setting up developing for tomorrow, and then we'll go into Mrs. See ya. Oh, that was so nice. Hi. Thank you. This is probably the first time we were early to an event. We're usually late. Valentine's was quite packed when we got here. It was cute how we had our own little area in the corner.
Sai foi uma calçada por dia, ninguém cura de aqui. Eu kat kong ora fanga solo kat kong kalami. Eu ora kukumi kan keke ya. Eu feula lá aí. Ya mau la ko fole la fo ko le tiga awa ko sanga u. Papa dia eu sakala we fa ya fanga solo le kat kong kalami ninguém cura.
pauna si tautalanga. Ia lako se me upai e tamama o pandau. Ina i se lene na paputuputu. Lela ua tato patasi ai. E pai longa patasi na se pamana si ata. Si o wale, leko ua antoa ia na lukulukua. Ia le tuo wa maua na tari ile papopongo ron tausanga. Maua le malosi ma le manuia. Ia mau sang pai koi koma. E taua na tato ia le peo ngā toto anu tanga mea mania ai la ainga. Ia ai pake tai se e lama. Sai mia le tule sai sara. Sai mai sai lima. Tempo ia sami se kuile ma elena. Ia le li o tato ngā puta ma tele. Ma kutai o tato taranga ia. So i fua moreli. Ke pauna si tau taranga o mpai e te pitula. Ono o sau kore vai vai la sohia. Ia. Oi. Ape tai te ala mea. Ono mea nuku koe wa au mai. Ia le li. Tai koe mea lapa. Ia. Tau manuira lama pe aien kamianga.
Ia. Salo lewa. Tala no atu me tina whaiena spana mea pia. Ia ele whaititia le ngā whātai e toi whāpopo. Ia o nā o tātou wa inga na lua. Te o kau tātou mafuta whātasi le nea pia. Ia wale whaelonga ina o le ono skumpa le lima o le tina o le nea ai. Ia e whapefoi le lua skumpa le lua. Tau sanga o walesi masi au tufunga. Ia e pā uku whātasi o la aso soifua. Ia pe ua makuai o tātou whātasi le nea pia. Ia la nganga maurunga whātai lo sunga libi. Ia pese bono lo lo o tātou wa inga i o na mainga sisi. Ia o whai on tō tadia se whātala uratu. Ia whala titi e nei laso soifua le tinao le ainga. Ia pese bono le atariki. Ia whawhai mo fia nei asu. Ia tala lea ma le nganga whāroalo. Au leo le a tutu ia tātou keke ia lua. Ia o whai tau leo koe tonu. Le ula whātasi a lua keke. Ia na usu leo le pesi. A usu le whasa aboa. Ia o le tātou whapelea. Manuia lua aso whanau. Ia. Sai mai se i. Tutu mori o le aso whanau. Tau whapau fia vai. Meri pai mea. Ma whepoi a wharesi. Asi au tukunga. Ia. Mo te whiunga ina o la keke. Whainonga ina ai o la aso whanau. Le lea fiak. Kau koe tonu. Tasi. Luan. Son. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What did you get, Pops? Let's go check out the food, guys.
When the old
Lance, what are we getting to see? Oh, are you eating, cuz? Espera, hey. Hi, Sifa. You can hire me. Was it good?
vai uma ilesani pele esa apena vai uma ilesani pele esa apena
We have just finished celebrating Auntie Pao's birthday. We are now about to leave and make our way home. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed tonight's vlog. Definitely subscribe to see more, and we will be back with more vlogs. Bye everyone. Mwah. See ya.